Okay, so I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing right now. And honestly, that's kind of the whole point of this video. About an hour ago, I'm not exaggerating, I had zero plan, no script, no camera setup, no idea for a video. I was literally just sitting here, controller in hand, wandering around Los Santos on a PS2 emulator when a thought hit me. What if I just made something? Right now, whatever it is, just start. So that's what this is, a raw, unscripted, well, okay, slightly AI-assisted experiment. And I want to talk about that today, about starting before you're ready, about making things even when you don't feel ready, about why waiting for the perfect moment is actually the thing holding us back.
Let me ask you something honest. How many times have you had an idea, a real exciting idea, and then talked yourself out of it? Maybe it was a YouTube channel, a business, an art project, a song you wanted to write, a skill you wanted to learn. And you told yourself, I'll start when I have better equipment, or I'll do it once I've watched enough tutorials, or I'm not ready yet, I need to learn more first. Sound familiar? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Those things we call reasons are usually just dressed up fear. We don't want to fail. We don't want to look bad. We don't want to put something out into the world and have people judge it. So we wait, and we wait, and we wait. And then one day we look up and realize we never actually started.
So here's what actually happened today. I was gaming, no plan to make content, when I thought, what if I recorded this? What if I just said whatever was on my mind? The problem, my thoughts were a mess, scattered, half-formed. You know that feeling when you have something to say, but you can't quite get it out? Yeah, that was me. So I did something kind of interesting. I took my messy, half-baked thoughts and I dumped them into an AI, Gemini specifically, and asked it to help me shape them into something coherent. Now, before you come at me in the comments, I'm not saying AI wrote this for me. The ideas, the feelings, the experience of sitting here playing GTA while suddenly feeling motivated, that's all real. That's all mine. The AI just helped me organize what was already in my head, like a really fast, really patient editor. And the result? This video. Imperfect, unpolished, totally honest. But here's the thing, it exists, and an hour ago, it didn't. That's kind of wild to think about. 1 hour, one impulse, one decision to just go for it instead of waiting until it felt ready. And that's the experiment. Not just the video, the whole thing. Starting before I had a plan, figuring it out as I went, letting it be imperfect. There's a concept I keep coming back to, and it's really simple. Done is better than perfect. We live in this culture, especially online, where everything looks polished. Smooth transitions, perfect lighting, scripted to perfection talking heads. And it tricks our brain into thinking that's the baseline. That's the minimum standard for showing up. But that's not real. That's the highlight reel after months or years of bad videos, awkward takes, and things that didn't work. Every creator you admire, they started somewhere embarrassing, I promise you. The first video is always rough. The first song is always cringy. The first attempt at anything is awkward and imperfect and a little painful to look back on. But it's also the most important one, because it proves to yourself that you can do it, that you're someone who makes things, not just someone who thinks about making things. This video might be terrible. Honestly, I genuinely don't know. My gameplay driving is objectively a disaster. I already crashed like 6 times. The editing might be rough. The pacing might be off. But it's going up, because shipping something imperfect is infinitely more valuable than perfecting something that never gets made. And maybe one person watches this and thinks, okay, yeah, me too. I'm just gonna start my thing. That would make the whole experiment worth it. I want to talk specifically to anyone my age watching this, because I think we deal with a unique kind of pressure. We grew up with the internet. We saw people go viral overnight. We watched strangers become millionaires on YouTube. And somewhere along the way, a lot of us absorbed this idea that if you're going to create something, it has to pop immediately. It has to be perfect, polished, and algorithmically optimized from day one. But that expectation is crushing people before they even begin. Here's something the algorithm doesn't tell you.
Most successful channels had years of obscurity first. Most businesses struggled for ages before they clicked. Most skills took thousands of hours to develop. The internet just shows you the after, not the messy, painful, unglamorous before. We're comparing our Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 50, and then wondering why we feel behind. Stop it. Seriously, your Chapter 1 is supposed to be rough. That's literally what Chapter 1s are for. The goal right now isn't to go viral. The goal is to start, to make the thing, to be the kind of person who creates instead of the kind of person who wishes they had.
So here's what I actually learned from doing this today. And these aren't lessons I read somewhere. These are things I felt in real time while making this exact video. Number 1, starting always feels premature. There's no moment that will ever feel perfectly ready. You will always be able to list reasons why now isn't the right time. The right time is a myth. Start anyway. Number 2, tools exist to help you. Using AI to clean up my messy thoughts isn't cheating, it's smart. Using a PS2 emulator when I don't have a gaming PC isn't a limitation, it's resourcefulness. Work with what you have. Number 3, the process is the point. This video isn't going to be my most viewed video. It probably won't go viral. But I learned something about myself by making it, about what I want this channel to be, about my voice, about what feels authentic. You can't learn any of that without doing. Number 4, authenticity is an underrated strategy. There's so much perfect content out there. Sometimes the most interesting thing you can offer is honesty. Real process, real messiness, real moments of figuring it out live. So that's it. That's the whole experiment. I had an idea. I didn't wait for permission. I didn't wait until I had a better setup or a cleaner script or more subscribers. I just started. And now this thing exists. And that's all I want to leave you with today. Whatever the thing is that you've been putting off, the video, the business, the creative project, the conversation, start it right now. Not tomorrow, not when conditions are perfect, now. It doesn't have to be good, it just has to exist. Drop a comment below and tell me how bad my driving is. Genuinely, I want to know. And if you want to follow along as I figure out what this channel is going to be, hit subscribe. We're building in public over here. It's going to be messy and real and probably a lot of fun.